जो एक्टिंग है वो
Yeah.
उसमें लाइक आई नो देयर आर स्कूल्स जैसे नापा है या और
Napa
है,
is there, yeah.
बट अभी भी हमने देखा कि बहुत से एक्टर्स उस तरह एक्टिंग सीख के बहुत कम लोग आ रहे हैं.
I think they're learning on the job.
बट डू यू थिंक
literally.
it's a right way? मतलब
I mean, many have been successful learning on the job. I hope I think I was successful for a while and I learned on the job. I didn't do formal training, but I done a lot of theater. And theater itself आपको ऐसा रगड़ा
Yeah.
देती है कि आप सीख ही लेते हो अगर आप में है. अगर आप नहीं सीखते तो आप out हो जाओगे because it's theater is tough, you know. I think it's even tougher than TV and film. That medium is more demanding of you, your energy and focus, and your whole body, all of that. But yeah, I don't think there are that many good schools, to be honest. I think a lot of the actors, if we're talking about actors, are learning on set. I did too. Now I'm doing training here. So as I was mentioning, I'm part of this sort of actors collective, and we do a lot of training in theater because I didn't actually train in theater. And also English is not the language that I acted in all those years in Pakistan. It was Urdu. Or Urdu is यहाँ आपके इतने सारे accents हैं. You've got the British, you've got the London accent, you have this RP, more formal sort of the Queen's English. You have that accent, you have South London, East London, then you have a Northern accent. But Northern, I'm being very wide. Usme bhi Bradford ka alag hai, Yorkshire ka alag hai. So, and to sound, so I'm doing accent training because I'm up against everyone who's very, very authentically from here. There's tons of South Asians who are from England. And those are their real accents. So, you're up against all of that. So I'm doing training now, and I think I'll always train. I think, you can always be training.
Yeah.
So it's okay. We have a lot of talented people in Pakistan, and yeah, a lot of them are, you're right, they are just training on the job. And it's okay. It is a medium that you can learn. I mean, there are some technical things that I wish that I had actually known before I started acting in
Like
Pakistan. Uniting scenes and, like really every scene, like understanding the intention and the beat change. I mean, right in the beginning, you understand that. You become intuitive about that. And if you understand characters and understand acting at all, then you learn that, of course, acting is reacting. But maybe a new actor in Pakistan might just, only act on their lines. They won't do that. It's something you learn on the job. So I do wish there were certain things I think I would have been even better in my earlier performances. But, it's a journey.